I've not done a walk for a while through my woods, but we'll see what's going on. You'll get background noise of building, and if I keep quiet you might get the woodpecker. Of course he stopped because we're listening for him. He's going to stink of garlic when we get home. Nice. So yeah, dogs in the woods and no woodpecker. Oh, here we go. Let's have a nice look at this yew tree. Oh, the nest up there. Shall we go in and crunch through the leaves and have a look at the bark? So the bark's always interesting. Got all the colours and the bits how it peels off. Absolutely beautiful. I wonder what lives in there. Ooh. Let me just keep walking round. There's another lovely tree. Love looking up at the trees. Oops, I've been yanked by a dog. Yeah, leaves will be coming soon. There's a close up of the yew. Ah, now we've got some bluebells. Single-sided, do we think they're nice British English bluebells, or are they? Yeah, they're on the one side. Not Spanish bluebells. This isn't the most bluebelly wood. This is mostly, oh, got quite a lot of garlic in this wood. Some more bluebells coming out. Garlic beyond. And this yew has fallen down, but still grows. Amazing. Another one here. And they've been